Happy birthday, Hailey. Enjoy your day.
Kabait ka lagi. Okay.
Happy birthday, Ate Hili. Happy birthday, Ate Hili. Happy birthday, Ate Hili. Happy birthday, Ate Hili. Say, I love you, Ate Hili. I love you, Ate Hili. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. I miss you. Happy birthday, Hailey. Thank you for the friendship. Be a good girl always. Happy birthday, Hailey. I love you. Dito pa, dito. Dito sa akin. Sino? Dito pa sa... Happy birthday, Hailey. I love you. Happy birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday, Hailey. Stay healthy. I love you. Happy birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday, Hailey. Enjoy your day, dear pretty. Birthday, Ate. You have your heart. Birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Hailey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Hailey. My dear best friend. Heart. Hello, Ate Hailey. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hello, Hailey. Happy birthday. Birthday, Hailey. Sana hindi tayo away. Love ko ikaw Datwan tayo.
Happy birthday, Hailey. Wishing you a day filled with love, joy, and laughter. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby Hailey. Happy birthday, gorgeous. Happy birthday, Hailey. Love ka ng tita Ninang. I love you.
Happy birthday, Hailey. I love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, baby Hailey!
Happy birthday, Hailey. Enjoy your day. Have a great day. Hailey, how are you? I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I wish you have a good health and also don't forget to study hard. We'll see each other soon. I miss you, Hailey. To my friend and dance partner, Hailey, happy birthday. I will pray that you will have many more birthdays to come. May all your dreams come true and may the Lord bless you and guide you always. And again, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Hailey, anak! Wish ko na sana lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan. Alam ko naman na napaka-responsable mong bata. Ang ganda ng pagpapalaki sa iyo nila mami at daddy mo kasi alam mo agad yung tama at mali kahit na nasa murang edad ka pa lang. Dalangin ko na lagi ka sanang nasa maayos na kalagayan at huwag nang magkakasakit. Nandito lang lagi si Teacher Jubel. Love na love kita and I miss you, anak ko.
Hi, Vinny Hailey. This is Teacher Anthony, and I am just so happy to be part of your celebration. First of all, I just want to thank the Lord for allowing me to have a pupil like you magalang, masipag, mabait, disiplinado. So basically, a type of pupil that a teacher would really ask for. And that dance with my teacher journey with you and Zachary is really memorable for me. And do remember the message of the song na sinayaw natin, that we are children of God. So I am praying to the Lord na lumaki kang may takot sa Kanya and for you to have a better and stronger relationship with Him. And I am also wishing for you to have bigger dreams and achieve them someday. And do remember that Teacher Anthony will always root for you even after your stay sa ating simple classroom at Green A Classroom. So, happiest birthday, our Beanie Hailey. Continue to be a sunshine to your friends, classmates, and family. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Haley, my BFF. I love you. Birthday, bestie. I wish you all the best. I wish you stay pretty and humble. I love you.
Happy birthday, Butchoy! Enjoy your birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Hailey. Huwag ka na magkakalat sa kwarto natin. Love you mo.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 지구에서 우주에서 제일 사랑합니다. Happy birthday, Haley Gray, baby ng mami. Haley, sana anak ko, ngayong birthday mo, mawala na yung asma mo anak ko. Sana lagi ka laging malusog kasi alam ko na napaka active mong bata. Gustong gusto mo sumali kung saan saan. At minsan nakakasagaba sa'yo yung asma mo. Wish ni mami na mawala na yun. Sana soon. At sana lagi ka anak masaya. Maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Manatili ka maging mabait, malambing, masunurin, at laging maalaga at mabuting bata anak ko. At sana pagdating ng panahon, lahat ng panalangin at pangarap mo sa buhay mo ay makamit yung anak ko. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Nandito lang lagi si mami, si daddy at si ate para sa iyo anak ko. We love you so much. Salang eh. I love you, Haley.
Hello, baby Hailey. Happy birthday. Happy 6th birthday. Yan, love na love kita. Love na love ka ng daddy. Love ko kayo nila ate, nila mami mo. And happy Valentine's. And lagi mag-behave. Susunod sa magulang. Papakabait. And lagi sa lahat magpe-pray lagi. Yan. Happy birthday, Hailey.